Facts about African casting and Ivo, right? This is based on my experience and my experience only. Let's get into it. First things first, I did not meet up with Ivo because of modeling. I didn't even know anything about African casting. All I know was he's a white guy, his name is Ivo. That's it. I'm not gonna lie, I met Ivo 3, 4 years ago. That's where I met him. And he took his time with me. We were chatting back and forth because we met through a dating site. And throughout our texting, right, he would always tell me I had a great body because back then, like I had a model body. I was still tiny, you know, early 20s. So that's one thing for sure. And he would always ask me, would I like go into modeling and stuff like that? And I was like, I'm not really into modeling, but I do go for photo shoots, so I'm not shy in front of the camera. And first time meeting him, he introduced me to his brother. I know there are two brothers, and it's like they know what they're doing. Basically, he's the one with the hair, and the brother does not have hair. Like he has like a shave, right? And one thing for certain, when you're going to Evo, right, he will not pick a destination that's close to you. I traveled like 45 minutes, 50 minutes, somewhere there. And when I met up with him, I won't say I did not find anything creepy because, firstly, when I met up with him, he told me that I need to speak up because he is deaf in his right or left ear, between the two. So basically, I needed to like speak up. And for me, that was awkward for me, which later on made sense. Maybe I was speaking up for the cameras or what. And one thing for sure, Ivo or Evil, he is a very manipulative person. I think he chooses his targets quite strategic because I think he mentioned something when I was like still chatting with him. He mentioned something about wanting a partner that is very submissive. So he chooses his targets very well.